This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Beautifully cared for home with hardwood floors flowing from the spacious living room into a nice dining room. Large kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a tile floor and second eating area. The converted garage has a large laundry room with a sink and lots of storage. Remodeled bathroom with newer plumbing. Primary bedroom has a ceiling fan and a slider out to a nice deck in the fully fenced yard with 2 tool sheds, a play set, patio and a garden area. Possible RV parking too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.